Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to activate Meta AI in WhatsApp in iPhone and Android. Firstly, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp on your iOS or Android device. On the main chat screen, tap the Meta AI icon. It's at the top right next to camera icon. Once the chat opens, you can tap a suggested prompt or type your own message or question and hit send. Meta AI will respond just like a friend would. Feel free to continue the conversation with follow-up questions. If you want to create cool AI images, type a detailed prompt like a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset. Or type the / in the message box to reveal the /image command. Use the /imagine followed by your prompt. For example, /imagine a cyberpunk dragon flying over Tokyo at night. Then tap the send icon and Meta AI will generate and send the image right in the chat. And that's it, guys. You can also interact with Meta AI in group chats by tagging it like @MetaAI. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.